actually think it would be that bad.
Okay, we're gonna actually go cave diving, basically cushion diving. Okay,
So let's go.
I'm going in next.
Oh, it's crazy in here. Lots of spiders.
I can just see your feet getting dragged.
Oh my God, spiders dragging me.
Okay, you know our safe word. Dang. Yeah, just a second. I'm gonna stop recording and record.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You might just be slow, or I'm just super fast.
What?
Oh no, we can't say pancake in here. Why? Because I'm also in here. Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh. Okay. I see the light. Yes. Okay. Brother! You're right there!
Let's do it again.
That was so fun, bro.
Round two.
I got a perfect thumbnail. Okay, we're gonna look at that recording real quick.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun, bro.
Let's do it again.
I'm not even gonna ask. I'm gonna go again. I'm actually gonna be out here so that we can try to watch you. Hey, question. Will you take this on your journal? Okay.
Okay. This is my view of Is it making it cave in? Yeah. Next for round 3 we're gonna go in that entrance. It's a little shorter, but it's like pretty fun. Ah! I'm claustrophobic, you know. Okay.
Why are you cave diving?
It's fun. And plus, there's like a big spot here. Let's get right there. Almost there. Almost.
Okay. Oh my gosh. A pancake?
No,
Alright.
I think I got it.
So right now he's getting to the out crevice. But I've been doing it.
Hello?
So wait. Okay. You out? Cut.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now we're doing it. I hope there's a cave in. Oh no! How am I supposed to fit through that? Okay. No cave-ins, okay? Did you just fall over? Hey!
That's the creeks in the
So that's where we used to come into. Hey, can you get off, please? Okay. Hope we don't have to say pancake in this video. Oh my. We're almost out of this mess. Oh my god, that's so close. claustrophobic. It's fun though. Oh! It's in my head. Yo, so anyways, we found a different way. So round 3, we aren't gonna go that way. We're actually gonna keep going the same way. But I found a harder way, and I don't think he even knows. So I was watching his point of view, and then we have this cushion. Wait, we have this cushion, and
Well, there
was a crack that I saw. Yeah.
Here, keep recording.
Yeah, we can see your hand. So, with our pancakes combined, we'll be able to get out if we need to. So first I'm gonna make him go because I'm too scared.
Wait,
So
which entrance?
we're trying to make this video as long as we can.
Okay. When you waved at it, it stopped. When you waved at the recording, it stopped. Okay.
Alright, wait. Okay, make sure it works, and if it doesn't,
Okay, here we go. Miss Failure. Okay. Oh, it's already so hard now because you're on top of the thing. Okay. That's how far my arm is. And so far. Oh. Okay, as I said, we're going through this one. Ow! Okay. Yeah, we're going through this one. It's gonna be hard. I'm gonna do it. Right here. I hit my nose.
oh, I see your light.
I might have to. This is the POV that I have.
Are you sure you
Back
don't need
there.
to say pancake?
I'm sure I don't need to say pancake.
I'll take
Well,
it. I'll take
almost out. Okay.
He's thinking he might need to say pancakes. And that doesn't help me at all. Oh, he's in his shirt anyway.
Hey. Yeah, it's definitely fun, but very, very hard.
Yeah. And pancake?
I'll try to get out. Okay, I got it.
Alright, so he just got out. And I don't really feel that confident anymore since he almost felt like he had to say pancake 2 times. So that makes me happy. Oh, and you're gonna hit me 1 time since
Well, that was at the end.
Okay. I hope I don't take a different route because I'm a scaredy cat. Alright. Really? Do I have to? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, that's your 1 hit. So, we used to take that way. Now we take that way. For level 3. Okay. I'm just laying here. Why? You can still see my feet. I'm that tall. Hey, I'm right by this entrance. Yeah, come say hi. Hello, dang. Anyways, you just stepped on my knee. Okay. Here we go. I don't know if I'll make it. Let's go. Dude, my head doesn't even fit.
Alright. I'm recording again. Doesn't really feel that sanitary. To have my face laying on the cement. Oh, a spider! Yeah! Right here. I got out. Safe and sound. Wait, where's the spider? I killed it. Okay, let's do that again. Well, I'm gonna do it. My face hurts. I was just laying there for a solid minute. Just like, I can't do this way. But then you do. I even got a photo. Nice. Of just me laying there. Wow. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. Yes, that is the photo that we're gonna be using. Actually, it probably won't be. No. That other one that we had, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna do round 4, right? Yeah, round 4. Second entrance. Yeah, is there any way we can make it more hard for level 5? We can make it harder for level 4, so we could go through the same entrance. So here, wait, switch the camera. So basically, we could go through here, and then in there's like a turn, and like it goes straight. We could go straight, and then we could turn back around, go through that other one, or we could go. What are you even saying? You gotta go first so that I can see them. Here, because I have no idea what you're saying. Okay. Is the light on? Okay. Yeah, go. Okay, I'm going. So, okay, it paused, but I'm here. Okay, so I'm talking about, yeah, where your feet is. Like, I go there, and then I turn back around, either go there or in there. Ow, my finger. Okay. Where are you going? I can either go there, or I can go there after I turn back around from there. Oh, so you're thinking you go out here? No, don't go out. You don't go out, you just turn around. Oh, it's kind of hard to turn around. Okay, my foot has made it out. That means I can get through. But I'm gonna go through the tightest space. So let's see how that goes. Not backward. Forward. So I'm kind of stuck here. Can't yell Pancake because he's not here, so I have to just sit. And this is my face. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck. So, yeah. Pancake can't use right now because he's not here. Yeah. Yes, I am indeed. Nope, because you weren't here. So it was kind of pointless. Maybe. Just hold on, don't do it yet. I'm just gonna. I think I can get through this. I might. It's because I got stuck on my side. And I can't turn around. Oh, that's bad. I see paint on the wall. So, we're here. Almost. So he's right. Paint on the wall does mean that you're almost here. He turned sideways, he says, and he did. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck on my sides. So, Pancake? Yeah, Pancake. Alright.
emergency pancake.
Oh my god.
Does that feel much better?
Yes.
Dude.
Okay, you can put it back all down.
Okay, the cave needed to get tampered with. Well, it needed to get tampered with because he was on his side, and that hurt a lot to him. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. Anyways, peace. We'll see you on round 5. No, when I go. We're rearranging everything. Okay?
Yeah, and we're making a new room. This is how it's going so far.
No, we're not gonna show him because it needs to be a surprise.
Sure.
Well, I can show him what we have done, and that's it.
Yeah. We have a
We have-
billion cushions left.
Yeah, like a lot. We also have blankets. Yeah, it's all gray themed. I just realized that.
Okay, let's start building.
Okay, we just finished level 5.
Yes.
We're about to do it.
Yeah.
Let's show you guys what it looks like. This is what it is. Now we have to finish this whole thing. It's kind of like a maze. We went through it
Only one time,
like 3 times.
Oh yeah, true.
And he's gonna do it first because I'm slow. So let's go. Hold on.
Okay, guys. Oh wait. Okay, guys. So right now we're in the entrance, but which is also a way to go to there, but you'll see in a sec. So go. Oh, how am I gonna get through? Is there an entrance now? Yes, there is.
Level 5.
Okay, this is the first time I did this entrance. Okay, make sure everything stays intact. Can you lift this up a little? Okay.
What if this is like the world's most popular video? And we just don't know that it's gonna happen.
For real. Okay, turn it.
Okay, this is the type of pancake, right?
Yeah. Okay. So here we go through just the start. It's pretty long, as you can see. So gotta go through the hole. Hold on. Okay, kind of still. Okay. Here we go. Okay. There. And I'm going through. So we're almost there. Just a tad bit more. I can see the end. You guys might be able to, but probably can't. Okay. So right there. Yeah, that's a part of the end, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. We're here. We're at the end. Almost. We're at the end of the first station. See? Right there. The end. Okay.
Set.
I have to set this down for a sec. Okay. I'm here.
How long does that say you can record?
2 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes. Okay. So, there we go. As you can see, there's like an entrance there too. This is like our hangout. This is a hangout spot. Hangout spot 1. Then this. So like basically, Ryzen, it fell. So we go under this chair. My pants are falling off. Okay. So, and then I go through the Hall of Magic. We call it that because if you look on the top, it looks really cool, but you can't see because you're too close. If you're in person, it would be way cooler. Okay. Okay, Ryzen, this blanket needs fixed. Okay, so now we're getting to a second hangout spot where we watch movies on there on YouTube. But yeah, so wait, hold on. Isn't it fixed? Okay, so fix that. Then we go which way? Which way? If you said the right, you're correct. Because go this way through the hall. As you can see right inside. Because there's like an entrance area. Then this is like a spot where I lay and stuff.
Yeah, this is the hardest
And
spot.
look at this poster thingy movie.
Yeah, this is the hardest spot to do.
And then right here, the hardest spot. So you come up through here. Roar. Ow, I hit my head.
No.
Okay. So then after you crawl through there, right there, then you stand up and you can even just look at
How much you've done.
yeah. And then you go over near the stairs. This is where we began, and it's technically like at the end, but it's also a way to, if you want to keep going and like go back around, you can by going through that small little tunnel. And then I'm just gonna go back around to the entrance because I'm kind of stuck right now. So, yeah.
Just do it and don't talk.
Okay. My pants are falling off again. They're like, I'm not even in my pants anymore. I'm not even in them.
You're naked?
No, I have underwear, but look, they fell all the way down. Okay. Anyways, you go all the way back through here, and
Yeah,
just
my hand is.
do that in the middle. My shirt is ripping.
Do not.
No, actually. Okay, do not try this at home, guys. As you might have thought of, we should put that at the start, but I didn't think it would be that bad. Okay, so I got out. I could have gone in this way, but when the time I should have gone in, I couldn't. So yeah, that is our cushion diving.
One more because I gotta go, sadly.
Yeah, okay. See you.
I'm so scared. I don't want to do this.
Yeah, but you have to.
If we get 2 views.
Tear up my shirt.
No, don't. Does it look like it? No.
I heard it.
So his shirt almost broke in the tunnel, as you saw at the beginning and there. But basically,
Oh wait,
I don't know why I say that. Where? Oh, hey. Anyways,
Look,
I'm actually gonna be going in right here because I hate this
as you guys
entrance.
can see, there's holes.
His pants also fell all the way off, so
Yeah.
that makes me really happy. Okay. Turn off the lights.
Oh yeah. Wait, I have to go through without the lights.
Okay, but I gotta go first.
Here, no, go on without the lights and then, Okay.
Lights off. Okay, let's go. So we got him coming with us. So as you've seen from our other videos, we live in our basement. Well, my basement. And also, I won't be posting without him. And I see him. Oh, we broke right there. And I see him every other week. On Monday and Wednesday. So, no, it's not every week. It's every other. But, anyways. Oh my God. Okay. YOLO.
No,
This is actually so fun. Let's hang out in here for a little bit. Oh my gosh. Wait. You can barely see us.
you can do. Wait, you can't even see me. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Anyways, we are just hanging out.
Yeah.
So, let me just set something up real quick. We're just gonna be hanging out in here for a while.
Yeah.
This cave is so fun.
Yeah.
I wish you guys had a really cool life so that you guys could do this.
Bruh, you need a cool cave.
No,
Well,
cool life.
space.
You need a cool life.
You need
A cool.
space too, though.
Yeah, you need a cool life. You need a cool space.
Yeah,
And
you
you
need
need
like
a cool cave
you need, like,
because those are super cool.
you need like lots of blankets and big and
Yeah.
cushions.
Alright, so if someone makes a better cave than us, we call this a cushion cave.
Yeah.
We made that name.
So you guys can try to find people that think they made a better cushion cave, and we'll see. And you can just link the video in the comments.
Yeah, because we just like put a bunch of cushions and blankets and stuff, like furniture, into it. Like the chair of Doom.
There's
The
a
chair of Doom.
The chair back there, and then like that right there that it
Yeah.
stood on.
Yeah, you're being stood on a piece of furniture. It's another
And then
way.
there's a monitor, which is technically furniture.
Yeah, it's broken, so we don't use it.
Yeah. It's just for like, it's rounded, so it's like a turn.
Yeah, you kind of just placed it there because you turn right here.
And it was like kind of in the way. So.
Yeah. Yeah, this
Let's
is
get on with this maze. The cushion here. I'll go. How?
No, we're stuck here for eternity. Because my feet are facing the rest of the cave. So we have to crisscross over each other.
Here, I'll go back into the Hall of Magic, and then you can turn around here. Stop.
Why are you grabbing my feet? No! Oh no, it's the other way. Why am I going deeper? Oh, well, because I found the end of the cave.
Back here.
But anyways. This cave is so fun. I dare you to be. Did you say pancake? Ah. Yeah, he's over there. I don't know who he's talking to because I'm recording myself, but yo, this is such a fun cave.
Yeah, scoot over.
I think you guys really need to try to make one. It is so fun.
Yeah.
Bro, we even have stairs right there and we jump onto this big cushion.
Yeah, like, watch out real quick. This is what we do. Well, this is what I do. I go really high.
Yeah, he goes higher than I do. Yeah, that's what we do. You can actually
Before
find
we
a few
made this,
videos.
we had lots more cushions with this
Yeah.
that we jumped on.
Yeah, we actually have two of these cushions. Yeah, we actually have 2 of these
Here,
cushions.
I'm gonna turn on the lights.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So, bro, this is crazy. Oh. Yeah, so, gosh, perfect view of me.
Okay.
Anyways,
See you later.
yeah, we got like 3 thumbnail ideas, and we have so much to edit. Please help